Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today we want to talk about the news when come out say Kenyan men they rent their women out, they give oyibo. They rent their women out, they give tourists. So for long I don't hear say Kenyan men they be like some of our men when they for our country when we they talk about. I don't want to make sure their name. Una know them, una know una self. Some of our men we know they like to work, we know they like to do anything. We believe say na woman I go do everything for them. Una see say all this attitude wey dey some African men body not be one place e dey. The thing be like say na inside blood e dey for them. And una wey be women, una lis ten. If I dey tell una say self love, love yourself. Do wetin you fit do for yourself, love yourself, build yourself instead of you to build man. Una go dey curse me for comment section. See na don see am now say e don still reach Kenya. Men wey no dey like to take hand dey do, men wey no dey like to do nothing for themselves, men wey no dey like to build, dem be the most dangerous men for this world wey you fit even think about. Any man wey be say e no dey like to work, e no dey like to do nothing, na big problem. You as a woman, e fit sell you give person, so far money come out. Una go think say I hate me, I no hate anybody o, but the truth I have to talk am to better my community. I no dey fear anybody. Things many wey man go fit do for this world to make money. If you no be naturally lazy, millions of things wey you fit do for this world wey you fit make money. If you get integrity, if you get moral, no be to rent your wife or your girlfriend give person make it take dey make money. This thing when crisis enter for where we from come, I no wan make sure their name because I know say na so that they deny their reality. If you no dey talk am, they no go know where they for dey make mistake. When problem come that time, when things bad that time, I can't go trace this behavior back to where we from dey come, some place. You can see when crisis dey that time, things bad. That time you go see go carry your wife come say make come go Europe, make come go Italy. You go see go carry your girlfriend come say make come go Italy. Like say him himself dey forbid to go. Now all these same men ashawo e no dey finish for their mouth again. Na wetin dem take dey sing be that. All those women wey go do those work for them, the dirty work, come create the society, come build their state, come build everywhere, develop a lot of places for them. Now wetin dem take pay all of them na ashawo na dey insult all of them to show how ungrateful many of them be, and to tell you say no matter anything you will do for man for this world, unless that man stand as a man, he will never ever appreciate it. The moment you choose say na your body, na you wanted to help man, na you wanted to work for man, my dear, you dey waste your time. You see all this our African men wey no dey like to work, they no dey like to do nothing for themselves. That some of them, since how many years na their brother, their sister dey feed them, their wife to be, their girlfriend to be, na dey feed them for years. Una just dey waste una time, una dey carry those type of people around. These people they be user, they be they believe say that they entitled to what you supposed to give them. They not care where for they find those money. Imagine that they Africa, they no fit build their society. They take corruption, take different problems, scatter their society. The men now the women they come they exploit us when problem dey that place when they talk that time for Nigeria. As they take carry their women go different country, their children, their female children when they say he no get right to inherit house, he no get right to inherit anything, he no fit talk, he suppose to dey kitchen. But when the thing red, they pack all of them. Oh yeah, come they go Italy, come they go this one. They take all of them, they do sacrificial lamb. They use them as sacrificial lamb. Many of them suffer, many of them lose their life for this type of journey. Una don't trace down back now to Kenya. They say suffer day now. They not build factory. They not build nothing. Now their wife, now they carry say, oh yeah, come go they find money, they come for beach. Tourists they here now we bring money come. As if say all these tourists Oyibo, they not be human being, not be man like them. Not be waiting they under their trousers, they under their own. They carry 7 head come Africa, come bath for river, come bath for beach. Una see as some of these our men, they lazy, extremely lazy, many of them. That is why you as a woman, you have to stand, you have to know where you stand. Never you in your life, one Oyibo will give you money, you go give her to them. Now where things for ripe, many of them they find when they want go for put. That is why the person will get to get that money. Now be you get to arrange yourself. If you want marry man will get money, will get life to give you. Even though say not rich, but it will be comfortable. It will fit give you everything where you want for your life. No be man will be say no get nothing, will not get shame to carry you give another man, may you go sleep with until they break. So family money come out. Instead, later they will start to blame. They blame these women. They blame them not get respect. Who go respect man when be say woman they build the society for? Who go respect man when be say you pay 50% for your wedding? Who go respect man when be say you dey feed? Who dey respect man when be say you dey follow, you dey share everything? How you want to respect her? You fit do everything for this world. Not be where you for the give your wife to another man because of money. That one already show the behavior of most of our men for our community. They not get shame for her. They demand anything without shame. They not get shame. As you see them so. Many no get dignity, they no get shame. They behave as if say they, I don't know, the kind thing we enter many of their body. They no get single shame for their eye. They don't get single shame. They wait for ripe, me they jump enter. To know the thing not they surprise me. Oyibo go give one get money, he go run go give that key. They will always the smell grant they go. Now only them will feel they followed married woman just make money or food or ask for come out inside. Imagine person go they rent the wife give another person. Una only una start to suffer. Una suffer self in it take away una moral, take away una dignity. I never hear am for my life before where other country, other people they rent their wife give another people make they take they get money. Now alone a hand for they see all these things. And the type of woman when you see they engage in this type of behavior, say you go come make yourself as a living sacrifice for one man, make it till they get money. It don't make sense, my dear sister. If suffer day, make it go build, make it go build their community, make they go build their country. They see engineer, they see doctor, they see lawyer, they see mechanic, they see driver, they no go do, they see fisherman. The beach when they bath, they don't see fish. No person go carry and go market, go sell. This men right from history, they don't exploit on a tire, they take on as commodity, they take on as business. When African women will wake up from sleep, this one go come go exploit una, this one go come and go take una do their own. When una go wake up from sleep, see our own now they enter comment section, they call person a shower, they call person everything. Meanwhile, when suffer do remove all the hair when they their head finish. Now they fair run carry their wife give sponsor and make carry come Europe, dem no get shame. Meanwhile other people that time dem dey come Benin come dey trade, dem dey write agreement with oga, dem go come do trade, dem open their store, dem go dey find as dem wan take start business. Meanwhile our own that time dem dey find who e thing ripe for chest wey dem wan carry give sponsor and make go find money come. Some women dey take care of their family to the last breath of their life. Some women dey do different rubbish wey be say dem no suppose to do. At the end dem suffer well. Many of them they sacrifice them, many of them waste their life. Why e be say una laziness for that place is too much. Fulani go follow cow, they go dirty, they don't know wetin dem dey call Europe. Anyway, that one na another video I go do am. But una lie, if una get woman, e be like say una get bank account. E be like say una bank account and assurance be that. Even come reach this Europe here, na only una na dey send una wife go road with 5 months belle, 6 months belle. Some go wan born, so they say they go road. Na only una to work na wahala. They dey talk and say this Kenyan men they dey lazy well. Don't they like to work? Many of them. See Anna, una don see where we from our that place trace and go now. Now see say na blood e dey, this laziness. Na blood na e dey, and this brain na e dey. How person dey think na dey cause the laziness. Person wey not ready to serve a country, not ready to work. E dey wait make white man wey carry leg like a carry hand like a carry eye like a come build the country for now. They no believe in themselves. The women wey be say they take man destroy, and when they don't dey problem, na those women they come they rescue them. Now those women they come they do everything for them. Now our Daki women, now they build the community. Now they go train children. Now they go bath children. Now they go teach them how to work. Now they go do everything. Why pikin no go lazy when be say now woman energy and he grow all these children, feminine energy? Why they not go to behave like woman? Now woman train them. If they say me una stay throw na children, na that time una go take okogoro cup so na one drink. Na that time una go dey from Vivian dey enter pit Joy, from Joy enter the rest. They born unsolicited or momo when they no ask una. Na go dey throw away everywhere. Before suffer enter una hand, una take go find work, una go dey find una girlfriend or una wife, una wan carry give oyibo. Oyibo go give una girlfriend money, una go dey wait am for corner, una come jump carry am. Una dey use una sense o. This my channel na for the truth, to expose the truth, to show our women wetin dem dey put themselves. Any man wey believe say if you no give am money, una no fit settle down. See open doors, being drop am inside, make you waka comot. You go see man wey go follow you without asking you for one kobo. He go provide for you. Mona dey allow man dey take off una. Mona dey allow man dey provide for una. If you no get, make it go fine. Oyibo wey wan send you go meet, they dey work their money. Their own no fall from up come. They no steal am. Man wey be say no dey fit dey stay for one work 6 months. You know dey fit maintain one work on 1 year. No dey fit dey maintain one work 7 years. You no get wetin dey take am to dey do. That one na person wey be say e no dey stable for life. You no get wetin take am do. You have to wake up from this slumber, wake up from this sleep. If man say you go to tell am say no, make you go find money. All those people wey come road, na money that they work their money, they not thief am. So I love una, my fellow people. Now though, if you see this video you not like am, I beg pass. Because if you put comment wey no make sense, I go block you. I go block you. They not dey die for where person for talk truth. They hear me? Other YouTube channel dey here where you dey full YouTube, where you fit go listen to una live for that side. But here we dey keep am real. We dey keep am real. as e dey na so we dey talk am. You no understand me? So na so I see am. I love all of una. Bye bye.